So hello friends, now I have taken a new question which is asked in the JEE 2025 April. Okay. So the question is find the shortest distance between the curve y square is equal to 8x and x square plus y square plus 12y plus 35 is equal to 0. So two curves are given and we have to find out the shortest distance between these two curves. So as you know that this is the parabola and this is the circle. So first we make the graph of this in the coordinate system and then we find out the shortest distance. Okay. So this is the y square equal to 8x. So it is y square is equal to 8x. Okay. This is the y square is equal to 8x. And what about this? The center of this circle is center of circle is 0 comma minus 6. Okay. And what about the radius? Root of g square plus x square minus c. G is not present here, only f is here, so 36 and minus 35 means 1. Radius is 1. So 0 comma minus 6. So 0 comma minus 6 is here. 0 comma minus 6 is here. And radius is 1. So approximately, suppose this is the circle. Okay, so this is the circle and this is the parabola, and we have to find out the shortest distance between circle and parabola. So suppose that I am taking one point P, which is very shortest to the circle, and you can take here also, like here. Okay, this is point P. This is point P, and at this particular point, I am considering that the slope of this perpendicular line. What is this? This is shortest distance, and wherever this distance will be shortest, at that point this line will be perpendicular in this parabola as well as in this circle. Okay, and that perpendicular will pass through the center of this circle. Okay, so as we know that any equation of the perpendiculars in the parabola in form of slope is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. And what is the a? A is this. 4a is equal to 8. So 4a is equal to 8 and a is equal to 2. Okay, so a is 2 here. So y is equal to mx minus a is 2, 4m minus 2m cube. We have to keep in our mind that this line is perpendicular to this parabola. This is the equation of that line. Suppose it is a O. And now this parabola is also passing through 0 comma minus 6. So 0 comma minus 6 will satisfy this. Okay. So in this case, put 0 comma minus 6 in the equation. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is equal to m multiplied 0 is 0 minus 4m minus 2m cube. So minus 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 will cancel out and 2 also cancel out. So 3 is equal to 2m and plus m cube. Okay. So now this is the equation. I hope it is clear to you. And if I put m is equal to 1 here, if I put m is equal to 1 here, this gets satisfied. So I would say that m minus 1 is the factor of one factor of this cubic. Okay, cubic equation. So and if you observe carefully, this is passing through like this. Okay, and really m is 1. 1 is 45 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 45 means 1, and theta means 45 here. So n is equal to 1 is the slope. Okay, you can find out another slope also, and you get to know that those are not the slope of this m. Two different m will also exist. You can find out that, but m is equal to 1 definitely exists. And we know that this point P and the coordinates of this P in form of slope is the a m square comma minus 2a m. M means 1. As I told you, m is equal to 1 gets satisfied by this cubic. equation m is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, put here. So 2 comma minus 4. Okay, and now we know that this is the 0 comma minus 6. So we have to find out the distance between this point O and P and subtract this radius. When we subtract this radius, we get this distance, which is our answer. So this is, suppose this is C and OC is equal to R and R is 1 here. So first find out OP and then minus 1, which is radius. So CP is equal to OB minus OC, and OB means what? OB means 0. So 0, just use the formula, distance between 2 points. So 0 minus 2 whole square plus minus 6 plus 4 whole square and minus 1, and we get 4 and minus 1. So this is the root of 8, means 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1, and 2 root 2 minus 1 is the started distance between this curve and this circle. Okay, I hope that it is completely clear to you. Okay, thank you.